Hi guys! Happy Monday! Good morning from me and Tuldok! Monday is such an exciting day for most traders. And syempre, finally open na yung market and there's another opportunity for us to actually earn. And sobrang satisfying kaya na whenever you do your analysis and then yung analysis mo tumutugma dun sa nangyayari, sobrang nakaka-increase siya ng dopamine level, di ba? Kahit hindi mo in-execute, kahit set up mo lang siya, di ba? Sobrang parang, galing ka. Parang gano'n, di ba? Nakakadagdag siya ng confidence ng trading mo. That's why sa mga estudyante ko, I highly suggest to really do setups every single day while you are still learning, di ba? Kasi it will add up dun sa confidence level mo eh. Which is very much necessary na talagang maging confident ka sa strategy mo. Otherwise, magkakaroon ka ng fear. Pag natatakot ka na parang, hala, baka mali yung analysis ko. So, anong nangyari? Wala kang execution. Wala ka tuloy kinikita, di ba? So, ngayon, kapag nagpa-practice ka na nakikita mo na yung strategy mo is nagpa-play out naman siya. Na parang, uy, tama yung strategy ko ah. So, yung confidence level mo with your trades, tumataas. Kaya, it really takes practice talaga. So, last night, Sunday, we had our graduation for our online class. So, yan, nag-graduate po tayo kahit naka-online. Kasi normally, nakikita nyo yung mga graduation natin face-to-face. Ginagawa rin namin yan sa online. Hindi ko lang masyado nako-content kasi nga online siya. Pero meron din tayong mga graduation ceremony sa mga online classes natin. So normally, yung mga student natin sa online is mga OFW, or yung iba is mga galing sa malayo, Davao, Leyte, mga Visayas area, yan, na hindi nila kaya pumunta sa campus. Ang ginagawa lang nila is online class lang tayo. So simultaneous pa na po namin ginagawa yun. We have weekend class kung hindi ka available ng weekdays. Meron kaming weekday classes kung hindi ka available naman ng weekend. Meron kung or gusto mo tuloy-tuloy kasi meron mga galing sa province na gusto nila, pupunta sila sa Manila and then magstay lang sila dyan for straight 2 weeks. Kaya nag-offer din kami ng weekday classes. And then meron din tayong online classes para naman dun sa talagang totally hindi makapunta sa campus. So, ito yung graduation namin last night. Ayan. So, for our first graduate, ayan, let us all give a round of applause to Sir Glenn Ryan Kabatingan, Sheila, and thank you of course for considering LTA, diba, na maging part ng journey mo. Ayan. For our next graduate, let us all give a round of applause to Miss Laika Ebora. Ayan, congratulations Miss Laika for completing our full course here in LTA. I hope to see you here sa campus ulit, di ba? Para at least makapag-trading tayo together. Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations Miss Laika. And for our next graduate, ayan, congratulations Miss Summerway Naag. Ayan. Congratulations for completing our full course here at LTA. And sana makabisita ka rin dito at malapit ka lang naman, di ba? So, thank you for choosing LTA. And again, I'm really happy sa commitment nyo to really learn. I'm pretty sure kaya nyo maging successful. And as a person na housewife, di ba, na talagang merong heart to, of course, have full time sa family, sana maging inspirasyon ka rin sa mga ibang mommies na nagtatrabaho, na walang trabaho, pero nag-aalaga ng anak, pero kumikita through trading, di ba? And ayun, I'm pretty sure marami ka pang mai-inspire na mga housewife moms. And for our next graduate, ayan, congratulations, Miss Maria Elaine Nuesca. Next graduate, congratulations to Sir Edgardo Puyat. Ayan, congratulations Sir Edgar. And nakakatuwa na from your losses, di ba talagang nakapag-bounce back ka and sobrang tayong matutunan. The mere fact na you were able to bounce back and meron ka talagang commitment to learn pa rin. Eh, talagang ano yan, commitment talaga. And I'm pretty sure kayang-kaya pa maging successful, maging consistent sa profit mo, di ba? Congratulations Sir Edgardo. Ayan, let us all give a round of applause to Sir Jorel Reyes. Ayan, congratulations Sir Jorel. Okay, congratulations Miss Jovelyn Jane Somshaw for graduating and finishing our full course here in LTA. We have here an account. This is a live account and XS Fintech ang ginagamit ko, xs.com. So this is a live account. And nag-deposit tayo dito ng deposit tayo dito ng $2,000 last July 29. And today is August 11. So far, it has been 12 days since nag-deposit tayo. And itong $2,000 natin na to is right now, ayan na siya. $3,207 na siya. So we were able to generate a profit of $1,330.
This is already 77% na winnings or profit natin from the time na nag-deposit tayo ng $2,000. So this one, I'm planning to use this account as a public so people will be able to see my credentials as well. So this is live account, this is not demo, this is a standard account. Ayan. Standard account po siya. So if you're gonna be asking me ano strategy ko, isa po akong indicator trader. I also use price action. Sometimes nag-white off din ako just to check for the facing kasi nag-trade ako during ranging market. And of course, support and resistance. Basic yan. So for our market outlook, we're seeing US to get weaker and weaker. And therefore, Fed is easing. So let's talk about ano ba yung easing. Easing aka monetary easing. Kumbaga nagluluwag. Nagluluwag sila ng belt. So yung central bank, they're trying to make money much cheaper. And syempre, madaling umutang, easier to borrow. So normally, yung ginagawa nila is nagka-cut sila ng rate or bumibili sila ng mga bonds which they call quantitative easing. Bonds is utang po, okay? Utang ang bonds. Pinaka-ultimate goal dito sa easing is ma-boost yung economic activity para ma-encourage yung mga tao na mag-spend, mag-invest. Kasi imagine niyo, if you are a company and you saw na mababa yung interest rate, then definitely maglo-loan ka, you will borrow. So, pag nag-borrow ka, syempre, yung pera na yun, you will be spending it. Pag ginastos mo siya, magkakaroon ng economic activity, which will help na mag-boost yung economic activities kasi because of the galaw nung money, nagkakaroon siya ng circulation. So, anong epekto nito sa gold? Since gold yung tinitrade natin. So, US dollar ang ginagamit natin to purchase gold. So, kapag mas mura yung US dollar, mas mura din, syempre, natin mabibili yung gold. So, ang tendency nito, aakyat yung gold kasi tumataas yung demand. Ay, mabibili ko na pala yung gold kasi mas mura na yung US dollar, kaya ko na siyang bilhin. So, mas bibili ako ng mas maraming gold, di ba? So, kumbaga, nai-stimulate yung demand for gold. Not just gold, but also stocks, di ba? Lahat ng commodities, gold, platinum, silver. So, yun po yung monetary easing. So, kapag nakakabasa ka ng Fed is easing, or there's a monetary easing in the market, or the Fed is trying to cut the rates. So, kabaliktaran naman po ng easing is tightening. So, kung easing is nagluluwag, tightening is nagsisikip ng belt. So, that's a different topic. Siguro next na natin pag-usapan yun. So, ngayon, since it's Monday, magbabasa tayo ng mga news. So, based sa market outlook natin, nagbasa tayo ngayon. Ano nangyari last week? Hello ka na lang dito. Ay, asawa ko kasi good morning din sa China ngayon. Hello from China, no? Ayan, sabi dito sa news, baby, yung nag-increase daw ng tariff sa China. So, ngayon, pinipressure ni Trump na mag-pledge ng additional 25% tariff on Chinese goods, diba? In response to Chinese continued purchases of Russian oil. Oh, diba? So, dyan sa China, medyo tumataas na naman yung tariff dyan. So, last Wednesday lang yan, diba? So, nag-impose siya ng 100%, ayan, 100% tariff. 100% tariff on semiconductor and chip imports, excluding companies manufacturing within the US. So, ayan, India was also hit with extra tariff up to 50%, while Japan now faces a possible 15% tariff hike. So, due to trade tension, easing policies, then definitely, syempre, ang bias pa rin natin for gold is bullish. And yung $3,400 per ounce sa gold still remains solid resistance for us. So, we are expecting for a breakout. So, kapag na-break niya yung ating resistance line, which is yung 3-4, this could invite us for a momentum for buying. So, that's our bias for this week. We are seeing a strong gold, but we have to be still very careful since yung pressure is papunta na ng resistance. Kasi as we all know, yung mga nag-swing trade at mga nag-position trade, for sure, nag-take profit sila. So, pagdating na resistance niyan, merong mga traders na kukurot na sila ng profit nila. So, magkakaroon ng short-term bearish candles probably because of those take profits. So, huwag kayong basta-bastang buy lang ng buy. So, you have to check the candlestick. You have to observe on when to buy. It's better to buy pag tapos na mag-take profit yung mga traders. So, this is what I normally do during Mondays. I check the market outlook, fundamental analysis, and technical analysis. So, we will have our bias for the week. Pakagwapo niyang asawa ko, parang opa. Ayan, so pag nanalo, nangako ako sa kanila na pag nanalo ka, bebe, sa laban, sasabi ko, magpapascholar ako. Ayan, magpapascholar ako sa LTA kapag nanalo ang aking mister. Kaya sabay-sabay natin ipagdasal ang aking asawa sa World Games. Eh, malapit na yung laban niya. Tomorrow na! Tomorrow na! Kaya, ayun, good luck, bebe. Galingan mo. Love you so much. Grabe naman, parang opa naman tong asawa ko sa hair niya. So ayan guys, as you can see, nakapang swimming outfit tayo. May goggles tayo dahil tayo ay may swimming session with Coach Erica. Coach Erica, excited na ako sa swimming session natin for today.
Nurse tayo kahapon, coach. Swimming coach.
So kahapon nurse siya, ngayon swimming coach natin siya. So, para at least matuto tayo ng proper breathing sa pagsaswimming, di ba? So, magla-lap pool tayo later. So, yan, dito tayo sa pool. Ayan, sa lap pool tayo ngayon. And, paturo tayo kay Coach Erica.
Labot ka din yung mukha ko.
Hila yung mukha mo. So, ayan, dito tayo sa... Ayan. Hindi ako marunong mag-swimming masyado, onti lang. Kaya papaturo tayo kay Coach Kaka. So, kakatapos lang natin mag-swimming. So, ngayon dito tayo sa sauna bath. Ayan. So, mag-sauna na muna tayo. Tuldok ay nag-aantay sa akin lumabas sa aking sauna bath. Dak! Dak!